As your team grows, managing who can see and do what becomes important, especially with sensitive financial and compliance data. ezLoads gives you clear role-based access, so everyone sees exactly what they need and nothing they shouldn't. Here you can see all of your active users and manage access to your account. To invite a new user, click New User in the top right corner, enter the user's name and email, and assign a role that defines what the user can access in your account. Available roles include admin, dispatcher, accountant, safety manager, and view only. You can review what each role includes by clicking here, where all permission levels are clearly described. To manage user access, click the green pencil icon to open a user's profile. Here, you can review and adjust permissions, including access to specific features and adjustment types. If you ever need to restore a user, click Show Inactive Users at the bottom of the page. Then open the user's profile and enable the Active option. If you have any questions, feel free to call us or visit us at ezloads.net.